Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Interplant bred rose called Lucky Flow. Now this is a florist rose that you can purchase through April and Ashley here in the United States. This rose made its debut in 2025 to the garden rose market. It was only previously available as a cut flower to florists. What drew me to want to add this rose variety to my garden was the unique bloom shape and the color, which is a coral pink. I received this as a potted, leafed out rose bush that is actually en route from April and Ashley, and I've been very happy with it in my garden this past season. Lucky Flow belongs to a whole series of plants bred by Interplant called the Flow series. They're bred specifically for their ruffled, wavy petals that create a flowing appearance rather than a traditional tight spiral. Personally, I think they kind of have a clamshell appearance. I really like the sprays of blooms that they put on. I think they're very pretty. Now, the one thing that did surprise me was that the blooms are actually smaller than I had expected. I would say no more than 2.5 inches at max. We'll see how they look next year, and hopefully they survive my zone 5A winter, which is where I garden in. In terms of fragrance, I think this rose has little to no fragrance, but it does seem to hold on to its blooms for a very long time, which makes sense as a florist rose. In terms of thorns, I had noted that this was nearly thornless, so that's always a huge plus. You can see the Japanese beetles absolutely love this rose. It did get a little black spot, but usually first year florist roses take a little bit to establish, so you'll see some disease like black spot and powdery mildew until the rose kind of matures. So I hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Drop me a comment and I'll get back to you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll tune in for the next one.